This Foley Properties Incorporated property video is presented by James P. Foley. Ultimate lifestyle and sophisticated living. Terrific, updated top-floor condo with balcony in the highly sought-after Foxfire subdivision. Stunning one-bedroom, one-bath with convenient in-unit laundry. Great floor plan, stylish fixtures, gourmet kitchen, quartz counters, stainless steel appliances and luxurious bath with Carrera subway tile. Great amenities such as indoor/outdoor pool, clubhouse and exercise room. Ideally located near shopping, restaurants, fitness centers, parks, schools, expressway access, Metra, and more. Great opportunity for a buyer or investor as rentals are permitted. For more information, review the details below.